Welcome to Module 15, the scanner. This is where we'll discuss the scanner that's available on vIMTFtrade.com. You have to have some type of subscription to be able to access the vIMTF scanner. If you look at the vIMTF options in the scanner, there's two types that are available. The very first one is what we call the TNT Basic Scan. This is actually available for free for only the all premium monthly subscribers. So if you're a premium monthly subscriber, then you have access to this for free. So basically, if you signed up in the last couple of months, then you probably are a premium monthly subscriber. And at that point, you'll have the basic TNT scan for free. If not, or you want more features and functionality, you could go to the advanced TNT scanner, which is more of a paid subscription. In there, you'll be able to scan for TNTs on the current bar, previous bar, or 2 bars ago. You could scan for shades, V-trends. We have pre-built strategies for both IMTF, vIMTF, CIMTF, everything there too. You could scan for price touching T1 targets. You could scan for purple, yellow strategy, everything there. Okay. So let's look at the different subscriptions. This is the TNT Basic Scan. In here, you have this menu option here. You click on it. It allows you to scan for the TNT on the previous bar. Now, remember, I said previous bar. So remember that it doesn't scan for TNTs on the current bar at all. So you have to wait for the market to open in order for you to scan for opportunities for that particular moment. Okay. Here's the full-blown scanner. This is the advanced option, and here's all the menu options in here. Let's look at the TNT. In here, you can scan for the current bar being orange or 1 bar ago. You can scan for the current bar to be TNT 1 bar ago or 2 bars ago. Okay. Then you have the shortcut menu. In here, I already built out all the strategies for you. So if you don't have these pre-built and you want to build them yourself, then you could go in and choose many different options and build this out. But I did everything for you. So this is the TNT high probability ideal trend strategy here built for you, where it looks for a shade and V trend for you. And what it's doing is the P means the TNT is on the previous bar. That's on the previous bar. This is on the current bar. This is your orange shakeout arrow reverse strategy right there. This is looking for a TNT on the CIMTF bracket, which is high probability. This is looking for a setup, whether it be a purple bar or a yellow bar on a CIMTF bracket, which is high probability. Now, if you don't have CIMTF options or you haven't taken it, you won't see these menu options at all. The last one in here is timing with vIMTF. So what this does is it takes the IMTF timing element and makes sure there's a shade and V trend behind it, increasing the probabilities for the 2-bar validation and so forth. So that's already pre-built there. The VOP in here, you could choose multiple different options by holding down the control key. And you could choose that I want bullish or bearish shade. You could also have the V trend in here. You could have the arrow in here, or you could choose that you want price to touch the T1 cross. Okay. Over here, this is where you have the yellow bar strategy and the purple bar strategy. Over here, this is a setup. This is when you have the yellow bar here, and this is the purple bar right there. On entry, it will go into this trend right there. So this is where it enters. This is the setup. So if you just want to find the yellow bars and purple bars, that's the setups. If you want to look at the bar that entered, that is these right here, which is the trend strategies in here. So ideally, the best ones is to look here and it tells you they entered or they're on that first bar. Okay. If you have any questions in regards to the scanner, please feel free to post everything in the Discord chat room. That is our preferred support there. So please send all your questions about the scanner there. Thank you.